Hello everyone, it's another day in my kitchen and what makes it special today is that I'm using Kreme Cookware range of products. I usually add oil to get the perfect crispiness and taste, but guess what? It didn't require much oil and the dish got crispy in a jiffy and the masala stayed intact too. This flat tawa spreads heat equally, making my cooking easier and quicker. These pans are non-greasy and dishwasher safe, and it makes it easy to clean. I have been using these kadais for close to 3 months now, and I waited it out so I could give you an honest and best review.